When the air becomes crisp and landscapes are filled with the stillness of snow, people in Latvia embark on a winter journey into the heart of nature. But before you head out into vast fields of snow, some preparation is necessary. Every Latvian knows that 90% of body heat is lost through the head, so a cozy and snug head covering will serve you well. As Grandma used to say, the most important thing is to keep your feet warm, so wool socks with a welt are a must. And finally, as the Latvian folk song advises, for the winter mornings to be warm, knit your mittens with a morning star. It's important to warm up before you set off. This is fine too, but what I meant was something more like this. Now it's time to choose a skiing technique. For beginners, we recommend the classic style. For experienced athletes, skate skiing. And for those in search of more extreme sensations, the moonwalk. Or the flamingo could be the right choice. Okay then, off we go. Only by letting the cold inside, you will be able to feel true excitement. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Whew. Don't worry if you don't succeed at first. Braving the chill is a great art, like catching the perfect snowflake, finding the tastiest icicle, or making the best snowman. As we all know, patience is the key to success, and things worth having are always worth waiting for. Whoa, watch out! It's those masked troublemakers again. As it turns out, no road is long with good company, and what a delight it is to make new friends. And as all great journeys, this one too leads home. The outdoors in Latvia are a world of wonder, surprises waiting at every turn. Come and see for yourself.